Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. Today in this video, I bring you the latest trend and styles in jewelry. In this video, I will be showcasing a stunning collection of stylish white gold ear studs that are perfect for those who appreciate classic elegance and timeless beauty. In this video, you can see all the ideas about white gold jewelry. So dear viewers, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel and stay updated on the latest trends and styles in the world of jewelry. Get ready to be inspired by the beauty and allure of our stylish white gold ear studs. Dear friends, whether you are looking for a timeless gift for a loved one or a luxurious treat for yourself, these stylish white gold ear studs are the perfect choice. Join me in this video as I explore the elegance and sophistications that these stunning piece of jewelry bring to any ensembles. Dear friend, in this video, I will be showcasing close-up shots of the stunning designs, allowing you to appreciate the intricate details and fine craftsmanship up close. In this video, you can see all the stylish tips and suggestions to help you incorporate these ear studs into your everyday or special occasions outfit. As you can see, one of the key advantages of the white gold is its ability to effortlessly match with other accessories and metals. Dear viewers, whether you prefer to wear them alone for a suitable touch or stick them with other earrings for a more contemporary look, white gold ear studs offer endless styling possibilities. As you can see that these stylish white gold ear studs come in a variety of designs, catering to different tastes and preferences. From minimalist and delicate stud to intricate and statement-making designs, there is something for everyone. The simplicity of the white gold allows the focus to remain on the overall designs and the natural beauty of the wearer. Dear friend, as you can see that white gold has gained immense popularity in the world of the jewelry, and for the good reason. It offers a luxurious and sophisticated look while being versatile enough to complement any outfit or occasions. Our created selection of ear stud highlights the unique stylish ideas and attentions to details that goes into creating these pieces. Dear viewers, as you can see that all the studs and earrings have very unique and stylish designs for you. As you can choose these ideas and pick up these picks to enhance the beauty of this personality. By this video, you can choose any designs and elegant popularity for any occasions. This is great video about white gold studs and earrings for you. If you are white gold lover, then this video is specially for you. By this video, you can see that all the ideas and designs about white gold along with other metals beautifully decorated with other pearls and studs and other jewelry. Thanks for watching.